Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We have y and y. We can do about factorization in here. Negative s, negative number 2. We can do another factorization in here. Y and y, we can do factorization. Similar for this one. Next, we have s plus 2, s plus 2, we can do factorization. Similar for this one. So the s we put on the right, y minus 1, y plus 1 we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to add negative number 1. Later that we need to put positive number 1. Similar, we need to add negative number 3. Later that we put positive number 3. Because I want to create a factor to divide by this one on denominator. Similar for this one in here. 1 plus 1 is about 2. 3 plus 2 is about 5. This one divided by this one, you got about number 1. Similar for this one in here. The integration of number 1, we got about y. The integration of this one, we have 2 ln of the absolute value of y minus 1. The integration of number 1, we got about s. The integration of this one, we have 5 ln of the absolute value of s minus 3. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.